up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox an earphone. This is the new AirPods Pro. These are not mine, these are my brother's because I usually use the overheaded headphones. These are pretty cool and you can watch this video over there. So let's get started. I can't wait to unbox AirPods Pro. It's pretty cool. Okay, that was a fail for me. That was really satisfying. Yeah, I'm kind of bad in opening this because mostly I don't unbox stuff like this. Apple products are really awesome. So let's open the cover and unveil the earphones. So designed by Apple in California, and this thing is kind of 3D. So now we have some paperwork over here, and here is the AirPods Pro case, and inside them are the AirPods Pro. Sorry, that was confusing. So okay, wait. Yeah, I'm really sorry, I didn't know how to open that part. So let's keep that and let's see what's the box contents. Here you have the specific earpiece, like you can use it to adjust. And here we have lightning to type C connector for charging it and for like using it on new MacBook Pros. Not MacBook Pros, MacBook. So let's unveil the AirPod. So here it says made by Apple in California and manufactured in China. And here it is. There was some light blinking, and these are smaller than the previous AirPods, and they're even lighter than them. And many people have compared them to a Pokemon which looks like that. There was like a meme which I saw. So let's keep this here, and this really looks cool. You can the click is also satisfying. So let's put them back. Really awesome. Now I have my brother's iPhone over here, and let's pair the AirPods Pro with the iPhone. So whenever we open the lid of this case, it automatically connects, and you can see that quite good animation. So why my brother bought AirPods Pro is because tomorrow is his birthday on 6th June. Now you can write happy birthday in the comments below. It's like a gift from my viewers and from me. And if you want to write happy birthday to my brother, you can go and tell it on Instagram on my private messages. Just privately message me, but I'm not sure I can write back or nothing like that. Still follow me on Instagram, ACHHHINT. Now the thing comes that why my brother chose to purchase AirPods Pro. He could have gone for regular overheaded headphones like Beats, Sony, Bose and other companies like JBL, because first one, these are very small. As I said in the beginning, AirPods are like this much and we can just put it in our pocket, and these come with specific cases like a cover so we can protect them and we can put them. Second, AirPods are water resistant. I don't know about this, but still I will choose for this because earphones do not fit in my ears. That's one of the negative points. And third, noise cancellation. Now, yeah, there are many headphones, like whenever we put, we can't hear anything else. But this has a limited voice. Like if whenever I'm talking like this, it is kind of weird. But with the new AirPods Pro, it's noise cancellation. Yeah, now you might be saying there are many headphones with noise cancellation, but it's smaller than them. And the next is wireless charging. We have to charge these by putting a cable like type C or micro USB. For that, my brother has wireless charging. He just plugs it in and he can put his AirPods on it. That's it. And it's also easy, and you should have not even used, he won't even use the USB, no, the type C to lightning connector. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share my videos, turn on the notification icon to get the latest updates on my video. Check out Lalita Sharma's painting Nightshade, Slaves of Rock, and the Midnight Gaming. Links are in the description below. You can go and check them out. And yeah, like, it's really fun. And for the first time, I unboxed Apple's product, like the second time. Though we have a lot of Apple products at home still. I have an iPad though. That's old. So guys, thanks for watching. I told that before. And comments down below, happy birthday, and tell me how did you like the review. Bye for now.